Yes, GATE exam is really not about knowing anything little bit. You have to understand any topic in detail. You have to understand all types of related problems, and definitely whatever assignments and test series I'm providing, you have to go through. Now, many students may be thinking that okay, just take let's take this GATE exam just as an experience. If you don't know something, how will you experience the exam? For example, many students, they don't prepare for the GATE exam in detail. They don't even bother about the 1 year 2 year preparation plan. They will simply apply the GATE form just for one purpose, that okay, let's try. Like sometimes your seniors or your friends, they will say that I simply applied for the GATE exam, I took the GATE exam this year just to see the question paper. Or they will say that I was not prepared, I simply took the exam, I just wanted to experience the GATE exam. So my point is, if you have no idea about the depth, about the toughness level of GATE exam, then you cannot judge the question paper in GATE exam. Like any question may be this much lengthy, like 2-3 paragraphs are there, but actually maybe that question is very very easy. So I mean to say, when you are disqualifying GATE exam for the first time, after that your impressions about lot of things will change. Many students, they don't prepare GATE exam properly, and they used to apply for GATE exam, and then they used to disqualify the exam. After that, they used to create these kind of negative rumors, I mean negative talks or kind of negative energy in their juniors, and they say that no, let's go for private job, or no, let's go here and there, abroad education is much better than qualifying, than investing or then wasting time in GATE exam preparation. Like they really talk like this. And finally what they say, that okay, preparing GATE exam is not my cup of tea, or there is no. But see, you should know that if you have the fire to work for ISRO, DRDO, or these kind of reputed institutions in India, then nowadays GATE aerospace exam is really mandatory. I mean, I'm only talking about aerospace engineers, or those engineers who are actually planning for GATE aerospace exam. But again, because only few days are remaining, like in 20 days December will get over, now Jan will start, and on 11th of Feb we have GATE aerospace exam for 2023. So whatever time is remaining, roughly you can say roughly 60 days are remaining. In these 60 days, the last 10 days of Feb month, you will not do anything. So right now, if someone is taking GATE exam just for this purpose, that okay, let's test what kind of question paper will come, let's experience the situation, like how do you experience, nothing will work if you have not prepared GATE exam. Because many students may take GATE exam for this point of view, that okay, let's experience the screen in the GATE exam. Like when we read the question, what do we feel when we see? Actually, a person who has prepared for GATE exam but kind of average preparation, that person can really judge the level of GATE exam. And of course, that person can also judge who has prepared really good, really enough. And again, students who have not completed their preparation, or many portions of GATE exam is still remaining, again they have the potential to qualify GATE exam with very good rank, but because of lack of preparation, because of lack of time, they will not be able to secure very good rank. And then again, I am saying there is no need to spread rumors about this, that no juniors, no this, that. It is not about qualifying or disqualifying, it is about your own mood or mind. No, actually it is about only one thing: you have to start your GATE preparation on right time. If you are starting your GATE preparation in wrong time, definitely your result then in that case it will be like mostly it will be like unexpected result. You may qualify GATE exam with good rank, but mostly data or chances, my experience says that you will land to some that kind of rank which will not be a satisfied rank. Definitely you are going to prepare one more time if you have this mood that yes, I have to qualify GATE exam because I want to join ISRO, DRDO, HAL, NAL, or some kind of. Nowadays, whatever jobs are coming in DRDO, GATE rank is mandatory there. They are asking, and definitely if they are asking GATE score, then GATE score will be playing a kind of shortlisting candidate criteria, right? So okay, main thing is this video I want to convey one small message. Whatever time is remaining in GATE exam preparation, in that time your best strategy can be only one thing: start solving test series, and in that test series start solving topic wise test series, so that at least you can understand what type of questions, what type of topics, what are the topics we have to cover for the GATE exam preparation. Because see guys, in my coaching center, my live course, or you can say the entire video course, what I used to record after live session, right? That course plus whatever assignment I am providing, those assignments plus whatever test series I am providing, that test series, in my test series you have topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, full length. And for 2023 aspirants, I am giving 400 test series. In this 400 test series, any test series is not PYQ, any test series is not previous year question paper, they are separate. And these 400 test series, they are fresh, properly checked, error free. And in this 400 test series, 30 test series will be full length test series. So this we will run in Jan month, one by one, and all my students are going to appear in the full length test series like this. One last advice: previous year question paper is the part of preparation. Don't consider that previous year question paper is the key of success. But in less time, I will highly advise you should solve previous year question paper in detail if you have not done your proper preparation, because previous year question paper will give you so much idea. I hope you understand. If student has not done any kind of preparation, if a student has not done self-study or any kind of coaching or something, in that case, student should solve previous year question paper if a student cannot afford my test series also. I hope it's very clear. There are 2-3 coaching centers, only 2-3 coaching centers, including my coaching center, who are working really to support the students to qualify GATE exam. I am one of them, and I am involved with students 24/7. 24/7. Only when I am sleeping, that time I am missing my messages and phone calls. The moment I wake up and before I sleep, 24/7, either I will make videos or I'll be busy on phone call. I used to solve students' doubts. Okay, so students who are watching my video, to understand how to do preparation by self-study and all, those students must solve previous year question paper in these remaining days. Clear? Okay, see you in next video.